Hi, today I'm going to show you how to decrease the value of your custom keyboard. This is the GMK67, one of the most popular budget keyboards that recently came out. I managed to get it for $35 before it got really popularized, before anyone did videos on it basically. At the end of the video, I want my fully built custom keyboard to be valued at about $10 to $15. And that will also make it one of the cheapest custom keyboards I have ever made and basically I have ever seen. Previously, I reviewed the GMK67, I introduced it to you guys and the price did go up a little bit. But this is how it sounded like when I built it with a value of about $100. So let us begin our journey to $10. The kit itself is already $35, so that is already way over the value that I want. So we will have to make some modifications to decrease its value a little bit. A keyboard consists of certain parts, and this keyboard has a top and bottom housing, a plate and PCB, and some dampening materials. I believe that certain parts in a keyboard are absolutely optional. They are not necessary, they are not compulsory. The housing itself, I believe, should be necessary because I don't want a keyboard that is absolutely dog. So the only three things we will be keeping is the PCB, the top and bottom housing. And that also means everything else needs to go. At this point, I would say the value is about $20. I literally can't do anything to achieve something cheaper. I did remove the Bluetooth battery. I think a battery is worth a good amount of money. Maybe, okay, if I push my luck, I would say the value is about like $18 maybe. The plate, I grabbed the plate, the PC, about there. Obviously, I'm not just gonna call it a day and just say this is a custom keyboard, right? We need some switches and keycaps. And not only do we need those, we need the cheapest options possible. These switches are the OG Cherry MX Blacks. They're from 1981. The pins are rusted to oblivion and certain pins are so thick they cannot fit into modern hot swap PCBs sometimes. Certain pins can go in though with a little bit of help. The cost of it is 8 cents per switch. And come on, who needs all 65 keys, right? Like, all I need are like my alphas and a spacebar maybe, enter, backspace, shift, escape. That's like 30 keys. That's all I need. Okay, no, maybe we need some control windows and alternate so that we can actually navigate some things sometimes. So in total, I used 34 switches and that cost me $2.72. Yes, $2.72. Next up is keycaps, the cheapest possible keycaps. When you think about the cheapest possible keycaps, there's only one option. The Gamer RGB Shine Through Single Shot ABS keycaps. I got a full set, 104 keys in this keycap set, and it cost me $5 straight from China. And of course, because I'm only like filling up half of the board, but I'll still count it as $5, alright? So yeah. Okay, so we only have 34 switches to fill up, so we'll fill them up with the appropriate keys. And there we have it. I'm not too sure what the value of the board is. I would say maybe $20. That would be a good estimate, I believe. A fully built custom keyboard for $20. And here's how it sounds like. Before you go, remember to subscribe. Bye bye.